Bale, ito po yung gain, sir. Na-dodge the creeps. Bale, pwede po siyang i-start by mouse. I-click lang po yung start. Then, magpe-play na po yung music and pwede na lang. Para yung controls po dito is A for move left, S for move down. For move right naman po is D. And for move up is W. Bale, pwede rin po yung arrow keys. Up, left, right, down. Then pwede po yung enter, press enter lang po para ma-start yung game. Bale, pwede rin pong para mas humihirap is pabilisin po yung labas ng spawn ng mga mobs if gustong mas mahirap.